Turkey.
So, sister asked from Germany. The Turkish ulama are strongly against the use of nail polish. According to them, the nail polish is a hindrance for ablution. They say that those ladies who use nail polish are disbelievers.
Disbelievers?
Yes. Again, according to them, using a leather garment is also prohibited in Islam.
What?
Leather garment.
Garments?
Yes.
Acha. Against the Quran? Why?
Prohibited in Islam, according to them. What is Huzur's opinion in this regard?
As for the first point, I consider it extreme naivety on the part of these people, because they believe that the nail itself is not permeated by water of ablution. So the nail remains without washing, and this is what is wrong about it. But they don't understand that the quality of nail itself is that of the nail polish. And water does not permeate nail itself. So add to the polish of something which is already impervious to water, it wouldn't make any difference. While put anything here on skin which is not impervious to water, the water can enter the spores and things and wash. That is, of course, not permissible in Islam. You have to take your clothes off when you wash. So about nails, this concept of the mullahs is very naive and unscientific. The purpose of the washing is for man to clean himself of any dirt which he may collect, or any perspiration which may grow out of human pores. Nails do not perspire. Their cleanliness is guaranteed with nail polish. So when we wash the nail polish, we wash the nails. This is a simple thing which they don't understand. And unfortunately, so stupidly, they give these things such importance that the human nails turn into animal paws. You know, somebody doesn't wash his nail, and the ulama would strike out their paws to drive, to destroy them and to tear them to pieces. Sheer stupidity. Such things were never highlighted at the time of Hazrat Muhammad Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. We should understand the purpose of ablution, which is done for the sake of giving a sense of peace and cleanliness to man. And even with nail polish, when you wash the whole hand, the purpose is achieved. As far as the garments are concerned, to declare skin or what was the word used? Leather garments. It's the same thing. Skins of animals or leather, to use them for the purpose of dress is exactly what the Holy Quran says. When the Holy Quran speaks of the good things of animals, particularly those animals which are called anam, the Holy Quran speaks that they provide you with clothing and khamas, these tents, etc. So when the Quran itself supports the use of the animal skin for your dress, how can these ulama say it is against the purpose of the Quran? I am amazed, because these ulama know nothing else of the world. All their concept of the Quran is medieval, not the concept of Hazrat Muhammad Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, but the concept of the middle dark ages. where ulama like them went on fighting with each other on very small, insignificant things. And they have inherited this role of discussion or, shall we say, wild differences among themselves on small, infinitesimally small things which don't matter in the life of any people. So they highlight them and go on fighting with each other and shed each other's blood for the sake of these small things. This is what has destroyed the strength of Islam, the unity of Islam. Chalo, please. Now I'm going to read you a verse of the Quran which speaks of animal skins. And nowhere it is forbidden for men to wear them. But through implication we can see that wearing the dead parts of the skin, because the hair they grow also is a part of the skin, is not only not forbidden, it is recommended by the Quran. So if the wearing of animal skins were forbidden, this was the place where it should have been clearly said no. On the other hand, it is said that you carry along with you their skins so that you pitch tents and make tents out of them. So if you sleep in the tent or carry it along on your body as a dress, what is the difference? So by implication, that's why I said, by implication, it is certainly not forbidden. The verse which I am going to read here is أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والله جعل لكم من بيوتكم سكنا وجعل لكم من جلود الأنعام بيوتا من جلود الأنعام بيوتا تستخفونها يوم ظعنكم ويوم إقامتكم ومن أصوافها وأوبارها وأشعارها أثاثا ومتاعا إلى حين. It's a very clear verse of the Quran that they are for your wearing, for your making clothes and garments and tents out of these things. So how can the ulama give an edict against wearing of the skins? Again, these ulama, which she's been talking about, give edict against the socks worn nowadays by people. And they say they are not the socks on which you can do tayammum. The socks in which you can do tayammum have to be made of leather. See? With which you walk into the mosque, wearing that leather. So how can they derive their arguments? I don't understand, extremely unbelievable how they build their arguments while practicing a completely different religion themselves. Go to Turkey and the mosque, these ulama who do tayammum on the mozars or what we call socks, you will find them invariably made of leather. And if you walk with this sock like which I am wearing, they may turn me out and say, no, go ahead and take it off, wash your feet, and then return. Got it? Yes.